Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to activate your Fidelity debit card for 2025. If you've just gotten your new card in the mail, don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, secure, and will have you swiping or tapping in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your card handy. You'll need the card number, expiration date, and that 3-digit CVV code on the back. The activation process is designed to protect your account, so it's all about verifying that it's really you. Start by grabbing your phone, tablet, or computer and heading over to the Fidelity website or opening the Fidelity app. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your username and password. Pro tip: if you haven't set up two-factor authentication, this is a great time to do it for extra security. Once you're logged in, look for the Account Services or Cards section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Click on that, and you should see an option for Activate Debit Card. Select it, and you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Type in the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. After you submit, Fidelity might send a verification code to your registered phone number or email. Enter that code promptly to confirm, and bam, your card is activated. Just like that, you're all set. Now you can start using your Fidelity debit card for everyday purchases, ATM withdrawals, or even mobile payments. Remember, if you run into any hiccups, Fidelity's customer support is top-notch and available 24/7. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next video.